Howdy Paper Engineers in Training, Dagwood enthusiasts, and gardeners. As you can see, well, zucchini grows really like it's a vine. It grows really well, so I don't have to weed much around these guys. And as you can see, the zucchinis are coming on okay. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them, so they'll do good. And this is this I think is cauliflower, but it's really weird. I've only got a couple of them that have decided to grow, and I don't know why that is, other than it's been so cold that nothing seems to be growing well. Anyway, except collards. I think those are collards, and those are doing really, really good. No, wait a minute. Those aren't collards. Those are white radish. I guess they call them icicle radish. And these, I'm going to have to thin these out. After this gets wet today, I'm going to thin this out. Anyway, those radishes are looking like they're not doing well either. Now, I don't know what these are. I think, let me see, maybe a spinach. That is spinach. The thing is, though, it's flowering. In other words, it thought it was winter time as well. So I'm going to replant spinach with those seed when they come up. Anyway, and these should be regular radish. No, I don't know. Maybe those are icicle too. I can't tell. I can't tell. I'm not good enough yet. And so anyway. Oh, these are regular radishes. Oh, yes, they are. Look at that. That one's ready. Okay, so those are regular radish. Nice. And the rest of this is doing what it should be doing, which is growing. And so anyway, I don't know, you guys. Sometimes gardening is really, really a challenge. And so anyway, I'm hoping that I get better. This is only test garden number 3. Those are volunteer potatoes, and they're about ready to be dug up and ate. This here is my 3rd planting of corn. I don't know if this stuff is going to come up either. Anyway, these here, yeah, these are cucumbers, and they are looking good, which is unusual. I couldn't even get them to pop up last year, hardly at all. So anyway, this is the amazing stuff you can do with gardening. These here, these are all 2nd year carrots. And when they've been in the ground 2 years, they flower and turn seed. So I'm going to have plenty of seed for carrots next year. These here, 2 different types of onions. These are the small bunch onions, and that's what they've done. These were the Walla Walla sweets, and they're coming along nicely as well. And you can see the Brussels sprouts. Yeah, I got seed off of them. Birds are getting a lot of it. And these are collard seed. And I'm going to go ahead and leave them for the birds as well. And they're having a good time of it. This down here, these are beets. And I'm going to have beet seed this year. I used 4 beets down there that I left from last year. That's all, you guys. That is the wonderful stuff you can do with gardening. And anyway, it's all a game in progress. You just have to work at it and learn a little bit each year. And the more years that you do gardening, the easier it is to get this. And so anyway, those are all weeds that need to come out. This potato patch is just about done as well. Okay, you guys, I love you all. Take care. I'll see you in my show, noon to 2 Pacific Standard Time, and then again from 4 to 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Anyway, salute. Take care, Paper Army.